Good afternoon. It is truly a rare and very special privilege for us to have this opportunity to learn from Mundgod, Geshe, Palden, Dakpa. Geshe is what here the monastic refer to young generation means really the master of the entire assembly, the monks here. It's a very, very senior teacher, someone who represents the highest scholarship, highest practice. His Holiness the Dalai Lama himself has a huge and very, very great admiration for Geshe. I myself had the very good fortune of receiving teachings from Geshe back in the 80s. Actually had a wonderful, just rare opportunity to speak with Geshe for months, several months in Delhi, in this very tiny room at the Tibetan house where he lived, and they had 2 beds, one for him and one for me. And it really was the highlight, one of the highlights in my life. And then, of course, after that, I had, before and after all, I had the opportunity to receive teachings from Geshe. Geshe is almost 88 years old. In a month, he will be 88 years old. But despite his advanced age, the fact that Geshe has come to spend his time with us, it itself is this testimony to his compassion and kindness for us. Now, the topic that I have requested for Geshe, because we have focused on compassion here, and therefore to give a brief teaching on the science or the psychology of compassion, what the compassion means, how do we understand compassion. So with that, without further ado, I will request Geshe for this brief teaching.
All us, Tam number Tolani, Karjago, Gondro delays, should we use Gondro delays, Tragic delays, Gondro delays.
We need to move a little closer. Perhaps my own age is failing my ears. First of all, you should extend his good afternoon greetings for the
Gondro dele Samayamba, Sunche Tamsila, Tito number Tamse Deva to Leba. Jibu Yako, Nichi, Maso Tarin, Yam the Pets, Karsabor, Trodurchia, Godurchia, the Nichi Kitunda, the Nichi, Yoyaka, Nijan Juraka, Riata, Malashuyos.
Not only I extend greetings to you for this afternoon, through this brief opportunity to for exchange of teachings, the understanding here, it is my hope that through this, this will contribute also to the well-being of all sentient beings.
Tati Kararas, Niji, Chambato, Niji Seata, what that ditchet Tamche Jumato, Cheta, you take Gabatamche, Pasera, Kaseman Rabato, and you coni, Tani, Nindinama, Ani to Chatani Chayo, Tani Song Yore. Tananga Shua than this way. Natolo, Jeta, Jete, Gubaya, Kaza, Yete Gubay, Dramashibani, Noda, Tamset, Seratato, Dicha Person Tombala, Yon Kasiman Ramota, Jamato, Nijini, what is on the song, Ticket Cholangato, and Taripati Kodosia is.
Now, as the topic for this talk today is compassion and love. Love and compassion are the foundation or the source that dispel all the suffering that sentient beings want to avoid, but also love and compassion are also the source of all the happiness of the well-being.
Ishitaga Chief Karadago, Marso Nyamyuto, Teni Hakoya, Samche Tando Incha, Nolo Chikitil, Stivato, Teni Usato, Any Matsonti and Nolo Chikitil, Stivato, Jambato, Teni, Desio, De Tombayana, Nolo Stiva, Jambayuna, Desio Person Tobo, or Teni Tili Chiva, Jaco, Totoma, Tito Chipano, or Tatani Yamba, or Titone. And
it is the compassion that also is the key for harmony and well-being, whether it is in a community, in a society, in a family, in a small community, or for the whole world. It is the well-being and happiness, peace. It depends on compassion.
Tenita Tisotane, Nemaga Kibio, Tenita Karasung, Teni Jambatoni, Yisia, Kuchansa, Gay, Zawachimba, Kushochi, Tandam Gota Tere, Ko only Dichinjo, Semayusotani, Telek, only Kuchansa.
And it is for this reason that the love and compassion being so critical for our well-being and peace, that the great masters of the past, as they composed various texts, they often would pay homage to these values of love and compassion.
Ta Cheta Ti Sotana Tik Mon about Jamato Niji Siaka, Mon, Karashawaras, and Sunche, Soto Sena, Court Dimmer to turn to Dobata. Niji Segre, Court Divaton trained to Dobatala, Jambasera, Tutini, Jachiri, Chiri, Sunche, Mombolo, Teni, Jachambolo, Sunche, Tamsil, Gombashi, Tomna, and Tenis, Niji Chambo, Jamba Chambo Seat, or Tenis, Wati Shao.
Now, as for the characteristic or the definition of compassion and love, compassion is understood as a wish for others to be free from their suffering. Love, on the other hand, is a wish for others to have happiness. So it's a response that unfolds from witnessing others suffering and what others are lacking. When such experiences, love and compassion, when they are cultivated and expanded, and when such a wish encompasses all sentient beings, such, these two forms of wishes then become what is known as the great compassion and great love. In other words, great compassion, a desire or the wish for all sentient beings to be free from their suffering, and love, all sentient beings to have happiness.
You and about the Mandra Kari or Sadiqo, Sinche Lame Bini, Tikaras, Sinche, or Dinger, Sinche, Dungan, Ramanda, Narsha, Total Patranda, Dobin Doba did tell you some show, Tamchi, telling you, some shell Lamupini, or tell this then the Aletombo teaches you.
So, now as regards to the types of compassion, there are different kinds of compassion, but the different divisions. There are several divisions of kinds of compassion. One form of compassion is what is known as the compassion that merely observes sentient beings.
Dini chulama beni yusada, sunche matabayamba. Dini ti hamakone, tani tile nijimba. Tati karasana, watsu sunche sato tsuyina romeba, namkani namjuna mayu changeka. Mito chipa chitu yole, trachimon to marin ronkega, tito chipa, susu hakoma. Hamakoma, tia nature to hakona, partner yonkitilla, divaki to yomar. Korup Hakuma Salad Joya, Mazo Tindron Jitin, Yusal, Mar Kitchen, my Road, Tin Hamakunka, Nijis, or Tikun, tell us Chula, maybe Nijis loud.
So the compassion merely observing sentient beings simply has to do with the compassion that arises from observing or seeing sentient beings struggling, being aware of their struggles or the vulnerabilities. But the second kind of compassion, compassion that is referred to as the Chulam nature of the compassion, arising from observing the attributes of the sentient beings, that has to do with the compassion that is aware of the sentient beings, the impermanent nature, in other words. That's so. They kind of small again.
No. Matapa, Sunche Matapa, get that this song, Petota, Trot, and the Tota, Jani Janson, and the Mitimari, Sunche Marie, what you call her, that till the Divaki, Got Jagger, Lapa Jagger, Masutin, and Got Jagger, now Jigan, Nancy, Dinger, Canadian, Ting, got to your Hallon, the nature the Hakona.
So, the compassion that arising from awareness of attributes, certain attributes of sentient beings, particularly that's a compassion that is informed or conjoined by the awareness of the impermanent nature of the sentient beings, is what is referred to as the Chulamiti nature of the compassion. Observing the arising from observing the impermanent attributes of the sentient beings. This would be like if somebody falls from the high place, that as they fall, that there is not a moment of kind of to be a comfort, a joy, that every moment it's kind of the falling, the rolling down, and then finally to kind of have the big splash on the ground, that will be a huge. So, but from the moment that the person drops, every moment it's a kind of the proceeding to this big hurt that they will experience on that fall. Similarly, the sentient beings, that like us, as ordinary beings, that we are impermanent. At the moment we are approaching to the final, the moments of the life, to that and so forth. So, but we may not be aware of our own impermanence, but a being who is aware of the nature of the sentient beings, impermanent nature, that kind of wisdom or the understanding as it leads to the compassion, meaning that the deep concern for such a being who are kind of moment by moment, approaching to impermanent, while they may not be aware, somebody is aware of that kind of compassion informed by their impermanence is what is referred to as compassion. Compassion informed, or the compassion observing the these impermanent attributes of the sentient beings.
Ma yu sha ta ha chu ko na dewa tawa ni ne so dewa yu ma ti to chi pan da ti so lo tong tong na to ti no na yu cha re ta pe dewa yu ma ha ngo ma chen ha ma ko ne de ma yu ne dewa yu ma o te ma ta pa se ta ni ji ko so lo to.
So imagine if someone is dropped out from a plane, from the very high. The moment that person realizes that that person is falling down, is there any moment there, for that person to be at ease, or be at comfort? Similarly, as someone with a great compassion nature who is aware of the sentient beings, such impermanent nature, that how sentient beings are moment by moment, as ordinary beings approaching to the death and the various forms of changes, they too will have very deep concern. There is not a moment that will not feel compassion for these beings.
Yona tani chu gomba chi yore mi nachi social patron social patron de kumare de jamne dunga koru pagi thane de dile solo ji ton la chune kumba jam sam ke na tani chi ke dunga nga so tene social chin ro yore o tani chi go ni ji re so so ye ni ji re la me te to tin no ye sun che se na so nachi social che no chi chi o ti go ne mata pa tani dunga pagi dunga jo yore.
Another way of the metaphor, example for this would be, for example, a criminal. Some criminal, when they are led to their capital punishment, for example, from the moment they are taken from their cell to where they are going to be, hung or killed, the person himself, every step of the walk will be very, very, afraid of knowing that how every step is leading closer to that death. The similarly, like that. So aware of kind of this, that kind of suffering of the sentient being, that how someone who will have compassion for that how every moment the person is approaching to the suffering, it will lead to a different degree of compassion for such people, that knowing that someone observing them, that how each step they are coming closer to someone every moment. So that is what is referred to the second level of compassion.
Dewa kamungme la me pe ni ji se an de ke chimba chu den ta le nga to thom che sum che la ni ji che ma thang ka khon tho to shi dong dong de ne do chan de ne wo ya ka ji ma to an ta mu se na mong bam ji shin de ne mong ba ni le mong ke lo ji di hong ge ne ka ra se ko ra ding ga ka ga nyung do sam ne sum che la ti ni ji che wo ta ti ko to ni lu ya po ha ko. And the
third level of compassion, what may be referred to as objective compassion sometimes, or the objectifying compassion, if you will. This refers to a compassion that arises from awareness of how sentient beings, what the kind of the root of their suffering is, and that has to do with ignorance. That is the fundamental ignorance that distorts the very reality of the self, of the phenomena, So when someone is aware that how, when observing sentient beings who are struggling, who are experiencing suffering, their root, the very root of that suffering is their fundamental misconception. And as long as they are, under the influence of such ignorance, there is not a chance for them to be free from suffering. Aware of this kind of situation as the compassion that arises for them to be free from suffering is what is referred to as the non-objective compassion.
Ta samba chiche to sinche tiniji ya chiche to karagur sene sinche go ne kote te go tene phama che nyongwa kote to phama maji bi ko kote to tene sinche nyamta pe ngone tone ban na cha du ko mombo to one karar ko so che ba to na tene ka na sha ka dinga ni otene mombo samna tene ni ji ya chi gare sa ta du tene ji sa ta.
Now, as for what contributes to, what are the conditions that give rise to compassion, there are various conditions, there are various contributors. One of the ways for cultivating compassion would require reflecting on the kindness of other sentient beings. Being aware of the kindness, to what they contribute to others, and through that developing gratitude. That is one. Another important contributor to compassion is being attuned to, being aware of others' predicament, others' suffering, and how other beings experience in many kinds of suffering. That if you are aware of their such vulnerabilities and suffering, then that also leads to compassion.
Tenita jiba da jiwi chena ba da ane khato chuta mayeba meka sema ko ji lemo che se mayeba da susu ko ane pu putul dingor ko ane nana mazu ba no se to samche sele na ti to no je ti taw ngo shu ko ti to dream ko se dream ko ti to no teni ni ji chmo ji wa yu se chena ba teni ji ja.
As to the measurement of having cultivated compassion, it is explained and understood that when one can experience compassion by being aware of someone's other sentient beings suffering, as you are attuned to, as you are aware of sentient beings, if the compassion unfolds, without having to kind of deliberately arouse, but spontaneously, if it arises, at a level that that kind of wish to be free, for them to be free of suffering, there's a same level as we would have a wish unfolding from awareness of our own suffering. That as we wish, that when we encounter suffering, that how spontaneous, without needing to contrive, we wish for us to be free from suffering unfolds. In the similar manner, if the wish for others to be free from suffering, from being aware of that predicament, if it arises, then that is, and if when that kind of wish arises for all sentient beings, that is the measurement of having cultivated the great compassion.
Ta ngaba tani ke ji yo ba da ta to sia ma to ki thong mare ti ne kam sa tong ne ji yo ba ta te mo mo shu go mare nga to tong do ti ka ka ti ne go chu ti ko le ka ne ji ma te ne lo thong we to jo ha to ti ma se ba ka ani chi sim che ton ro le na chi chi pa te lam na ta ju to ton ri na chi chi le dra yin na yo che jam ba se ya yo ba ti se ko yo te ta le 세울이 연대 가려 요래도 무슬 거 아니 yapol kamne yarin roya depol kamne durin roya tisim ke yote sultan tanda tongbo ngongo shi chi ma tong ke to tene kamne chene tene parut tene ote ruchi kar pate te song yo.
Now as to whether such a compassion can be cultivated, such a compassion can certainly be cultivated. If one can practice or one can engage in the steps for training in such compassionate heart, that can certainly be cultivated. It is the quality of the mind, it is the nature of the mind. When it is trained in certain, in the certain experience. It's the nature of the mind that in the beginning it may require a certain deliberate effort, but it's the nature of the mind that when you train or when you familiarize, when you get reinforce certain experience, whether it's the positive or negative, that tends to kind of self-reinforce, and in that way that it can be, the positive qualities like compassion can develop through its limitless.
Oh, tene tripa gambi chos. Tane teri kneji to gongo di ko chul kanis ne gongo re se de ko cheton gom da che gom cheton jongom sa ni ore. Chul yurgetne taksebu ton tong che de gom ne zul jongom che go re sa kun ra ba to tong ma ni ra ba ne to gongo ne yur taksebu tong che de jongom su che go re. Tanda niji to the to the jamba to niji to the to the gong to go che go to che go re che go to che ne ta de ni dengan de ko no de ni che go che go to che ti se ko shu chi se lo se che yi che ta ane yu to se che yi che ta jong go to che se ko shu chi ren ro yi che ta che go to che go re o ti re so o ya Bena Sony Zimbato Dolaka Kazura Kamsus and Amado, Sobanabaji Jogani, Togo Gondal, Jimson, Momoson, Dinity, Karako, Sim Shoot, Cherry, Otino, Jimson, Momoson, Diego, Simchi, Dingarkan, Nari, Natsa, Jim Mario, Maiva, Tito, on it, and Diego to Diego, Onino do that.
Now, as to the mode of the way of cultivating compassion, the process of cultivating compassion can, as it's referred to, the training or the meditation on compassion. In general, it's important to understand there are two types of meditation. That's what we think about training or meditating, familiarizing. There are two types. One what is referred to as the analytical meditation, cognitive analytical meditation. Another one refers to as the stabilizing, the focused meditation, or the stabilizing meditation. Stabilizing meditation has to do with making clear, that whatever you focus on. So, if let's say that if you are visualizing or focusing on a statue or an image, a certain divinity, by focusing, holding that image into your mind single-pointedly, that image can become clearer and clearer to your mind. So the focused meditation's purpose is to make the object of focus clear, in your mind, to make it clear. Whereas the meditation that involves like love and compassion, these meditations are primarily analytical in nature. That is to say that analytical meditation has to do it's to kind of increase the intensity of whatever the experience you are cultivating. For example, compassion. That how do you increase, intensify, and enhance the power, the intensity of the compassion, and then that's where that it requires you to analyze and reflect from various perspectives the way that certain beings are struggling in life, what forms of suffering they are encountering. As you can reflect on those, if you can make that understanding clearer, and then your compassion can be stronger. It arises. So therefore, analytical meditation, it involves kind of reflecting, thinking, processing, bringing different, looking at the situation from various perspectives. As the more you become aware of the ways that sentient beings are struggling in their life, with the nature of their suffering, how they are suffering, what causing and so forth, then you will have a more immediate sense of desire or wish for that to be reconciled.
아니 손이 용자시에서 내가 밑에가 용전 대신에 대시고 저도 남전들이 때는 판 남전 전부들이 제고 어떤 층에 반들이 저는 들이 제고서 종차도 띵따따서는 되는 손이 갖게 내리고는 되는 따라서 제토야 되는 용차도 짐세성 니제는 니층들 남는 아니 용자 용거로 그전 전부들이 시고 어떤 지원 농시도 대자 점세 몸부서 서로 몸부 돈이 아니 제고 얘기도 되는 얘기도 고마도 라사 콜니 얘기도 기도 말아 고 오늘 어디서 다니 되는 종류를
Another way to look at this, just through example, would be that that's said that if you were to encounter a certain person that you have some issues to resolve the next day. If you went without any kind of reflection on how you're going to interact, you might very well get into trouble. But if night before, if you really take time to reflect that in what way that I'm going to respond or interact with this person. If this person makes certain comments, how am I going to respond to? How am I going to take this person's response or the reactions? If you prepare that ahead of time, that what is the proper manner of interacting with this person, that will diffuse any kind of differences and tensions that may have. And then to think of the various ways of interacting in a more meaningful way. And then if you think of various rationale, the reason that why the reacting in certain ways may be harmful, and so forth, would not be productive, and so forth. If you kind of take this from the broader perspective and really reflect on that and then prepare yourself, then you go tomorrow, and then when you meet to resolve whatever the differences, the issues, you will be able to do it in a much meaningful manner without escalating the further tensions and so forth. So compassion training, the meditation is like that. It's not something that simply says that I need to develop compassion, the hastily or just wanting, but rather it requires following the process. It is a certain process, as mentioned earlier, reflecting on kindness, the ways that how understanding the suffering of others, in what way that they suffer and so forth, what contributes to. If you think of this in various ways, then you will be able to experience compassion.
Dembatere, Kambi Rembasia, the Garas, the Chunsa, Chunchunia, Chiri, Tombo Garas, Tosoko, Nini, Pama, Nini, Tosola Gum, Tosola Niji, Tosola Gami, Zono Niji, Deni Chamseto, and the Tombato, the Nia Koto, Toso Tomalaka, Gangitona, Toto, Teni, Salaton, Toto, Gami, Letrovia, Samba, Teni, Chig Res. Team men Yonana, Solo, Betty, Della, Neba Mambo, Hachoko Neta, Nata, Duha, Copen, Nasha, Mambo, then Yalomato. Then you know more to Tendika Javni Petica, Comba Lapate, Sato Petitania. Yonana Sessa Chundunke, Mambo, some say me and Mrs. to the Lapato, the name of Soloton. Today, Teniteri, or Tenichigo Solo, Yonana Joaga. Or nobody want to pay, make it too cheap. On the new solitone, Tosolo, Nijin, Takambi, Rambatani, Niponia, Comia, Rambatombo, Canton, about the Tenabati, Songo, Tenica Pantoyo, Teniche, Ton, Tenica, and Senamato, in Soso Matoyan, Chiboya, Ani, the Tromba Chamsi and Chiboya, Chitil, Jamato, Nijit. Then Soma Titan, Chibuya, the Dibu, Tini, Yosotani, Tatani, Nachi, Tini, Nijito, Chambaseata, and Dichi Oyako, Ani, Sematani Yambata, Tini Ta, Maratoni, Starzu, Tamse, the Simcha Dupatin, the Tokyo, the Simcha, Soso Gangama, drying it to talk about Chambatan, the Nichio, Yapache, Chibuya, Yoan Sheta. Then come to you and Teniua, or Tatanijigo, Malo, Riva, Tomalashu, you Tanga, Tenitrava, Chionanga, Chijiko, Jito, Tene, Mashida, the Yoji Matoni, and the Yonjo Solo, Tony Shito, then Mashina Konda Shikira.
Now, the final this topic related to compassion here, it has to do with the order of the steps of cultivating compassion. How do we proceed with this progression of compassion? And this is by first focusing on where the compassion would come most easily. For example, one's on close relatives like parents and other relatives and so forth. Then gradually other relatives, and then the co-workers and the people in your community. And as you cultivate compassion, from where it comes naturally or more easily, and then eventually towards others. Eventually, it is possible to expand our compassion to include all the sentient beings. Now, when you do that from where it comes naturally or more easily to others, the key is to attune to their suffering, like your own parents. If you reflect in what manner they suffer, and what are their vulnerabilities, what their struggles, whether it's physical illnesses or emotional illnesses and so forth. Or when you reflect on the suffering of others, it's not just the physical illnesses and like that. Sometimes people suffer from getting caught into the conflicts, the wars and so forth. And those people who are the victim of the human-made violence and wars and so forth, they also have struggles by being aware of, cultivating awareness about what kind of struggles and the issues they are struggling with. Or like when you reflect on the suffering of other beings, for example, animals, that when you're expanding this to see the suffering of people caught in the war, but also the animals and like that, when they are left to the slaughterhouse and like that. How much fear and so forth that we can have. We can be being aware of that, where what kind of the suffering is going to unfold, and being aware of that.
Yeah.
Sometimes the suffering, others. In being aware of the suffering that people are experiencing because of the natural disaster, like the flooding and other forms and so forth. So in any way, what is important is that to keep in mind that compassion can be expanded. Is at a certain order. You can start from where it comes close to you, attuned to their suffering, and if you do that, that compassion will unfold, it will expand. And then the result of that is the happiness for oneself individually. It will bring more happiness in your own family, in your community, and so forth. So it's through this, when you reflect, cultivate compassion, the understanding what contributes to what are the processes and the ways to cultivate compassion, you can develop compassion for even like the certain kind of animals that maybe often kind of associated with certain violence, like the tigers and the so forth and so on. One can certainly cultivate compassion for all.
Tanga ngaru thosa chi shiwi is. Thosa chi the courage and ngaru tan zambalele karina tsuma ka dikin jo just at shiure. Shiu go sawa to lapta lapta no la karala was and shiu yegin ro to tende ko lapta shiu lagu yore tinyam de lapta casino la ani thumale yike chuba yarab to lagu yore chuba majwa chuba jone cheba yore chuba jon songmar chambu chi so ani keshob chi so o teni kuma mako teni o teni se lapta jo yore ta ti chiri to ya dare 티 미트 또 따라 밀려 삼바 야부지서 집이 삼바 동서와 집발로 심 롱발 페야 그 솔로 도시 틀리서 클라우다 그게 클라우죠 어때 파마고 라우죠 티 따가로 때 니지도 잠바서야 티 따가로 때 야지 또야 티레 나 틀리 트레인도 되네.
So in conclusion, I want to express my own feeling, and that is that if you ask that what is the foundation, what are the key ingredients for the happiness in the society, the well-being. My feeling is, my own position is that that one of the very key elements for that is education. Having better understanding education. Where do we acquire education? That's from the schools and like that. So schooling becomes very, very important, and therefore I feel that school is a place where we can really instill in students the importance of ethics, the behavior, the ethical behavior, the proper behavior, and whether it's parents at home or in the school, particularly where if the students are taught that why it is harmful and unwise to get into fights or the behaviors like fighting or this unethical or negative behaviors and like that, why it is harmful to you and others and so forth, why it is important to sharing the values of respect for others, and also to developing a more good heart, a kind of good heart, but also a greater sense of the commitment for others, more of the universal responsibility, if you will. If these kind of advices are given to students at school and at home, this is what constitutes also the educating in love and compassion for others. This is my feeling, and then with that, I want to conclude the formal presentation here and open for question and answer, and I will try to respond as best as I can. If some questions I can't answer, I will look for it, and then for the timing, I will have to say, forgive, ask for your kind of patience and understanding.
Thank you so much. Then I don't talk to you, Nemanga, Jacka, Jacka Chansolo, Matanich, Arin Rodegola, Ariga, Tusono, Pome, Chigmatomindus. Tini Cheta, Pome, Cheta, Lavjo, Subshi care, the Nickel Lautra, Taka, the sensation or Catendo Tower, and Koto, Kamsa Tono. Yoyaka, and it's just so Chamborea, some chill, Momola, Pentoja, Casoli Yonke, at that moment, Mori Tenere, or Tenimato, Shija, Gay Chontochi, and it's a chair, and Memo Chanjo, Jag Marella, Pentoyo Maritis, the color, Memo, the Soli Yonke, some chill, Gangi Yonke, to the Soli Yonke, to Toma, meet Toma Gani, Gorchok Pony, say, a teacher tower. And one more thing,
I'd like to share my observation, and that is, for example, in 1983 or so, I had the opportunity to visit the United States. At that time, there was only one female representative in the United States Congress. But now you see that there are many representatives. There are even people running for the president's position. What that shows is that education really works. Raising awareness through education makes a difference, and you can see the change in the society, not just on the individual level. Education is powerful in that sense, and through education you can see, you can also convey, make it clear that if we just simply focus on our own interests and our own kind of concerns and like that, that is very limited. We may even not be able to effectively fulfill our needs, and others will not be that appreciative of others. But on the other hand, if we have altruistic, more kind and concern for others in that society, that one could actually become a source of protection for others and nurturance and so forth, and then also gain the respect for others and so forth and so on. But in other words, you can become the catalyst for change through compassion, through this altruistic. And this is something certainly through education we can promote and cultivate.
Toshe, da ne ju kanri no ya ne.
So yeah, we have about 20 some minutes, about a half an hour maybe, for question and answers. Please.
My question might be a little. My question might be a little personal about Geshe. So, in the context of, even we notice that in life, even the people who cultivate great compassion and who have tremendous strength and resilience, of the great compassion and great love, as not the objectified, but more, even they are, sometimes they are not safe, they are not protected, they are subject to. I'm not talking of the Buddhist kind of suffering, but really the suffering of the real world where they are born. So, how is it that what he explained helps us to understand what happens in our life and how we deal with it with respect to responding to others? But how does it help us to ensure our own safety? So, maybe this question is something, in the context of his life of his holiness, and also it's a very personal question of how has he experienced this and how has he handled this aspect of things. I don't know if my question is very clear. But
yeah, it is clear. Rangi condition wala. The pena Jambatan Ningje, Chica Yapuchik Comche, Jam Ninja Trunche, this Yoba Yema Inayam. The Simple Ninja Chimbu Yoba Inayam, the Sus Chick Part Simple Ninja Yoba Inayam, Pachonic Susala Tupu Chavata. That Chica Kunjo Chavala Sopata. That's the name of Mamuchi Yonshua. That's the name of the Samba. And it take church in it, Ninja Gomguar, and Ninja Guar. And so chick Neseta, never than the name of Mamuchi Kayon to Samba. There are any condition in the Chiva. I studied Chick Juna, Genda, Gain who gather and then Junior cigarettes, Camera Michela, Junior Genda, Junior Genda, and Joanna, Dick Chick, that's not yours. Even condition.
Did never read. That and a carriage goes and a comb shiver, corn, non true, come and the pen of poo, Suzuka to this on the poo. I don't toss no sopas and Amado, Poo Chinchu, don't do it. Pulling in a poo to don't the bed than the checkers. The poo to go Hako, my Chinoda, Carriage and Ama, Doya, Lusum and Doa. Or Tino says and Pachambus and Koyari Arindoya, Ti Katula, Chambo Machin, Duri Jona, Dilipui or Durin Dora, Tino says and Jetta, the Toshi Yachts at the Hasoyang and Tondes, Tendinona, Come Shivers, Coco non true. My own non true chicken, the color chicken, Tilly Chirindoya, Mato Medusa, or Tendi Carlo non degados. Then I don't talk not so bag a poo. Madonna, Apu, and Yoda, Courage, and I pay Jamba Chicken, Tiaso, Tino is solid, don't pay our or Hasson.
First of all, your question is really meaningful. It is very true that these kind of situations unfold. It is very true. Geshe says that in his own personal experience, when even on his end, he feels compassion, but if they mistreat and like that, but he tries to reflect on it, is that the people who are, despite your gesture of kindness, they misuse that and to instead, take advantage of the hurt. Then it's because they don't know better. There are, certain influence of lack of understanding, or under certain influence of certain emotions and like that. And that can, if you thinking that kind of helps. For example, Geshe says that little children, for example, when they make some mistakes, Geshe says he has observed in the West, people actually very understanding of children. In Tibetan society, sometimes the little children, if they make they smack. But in the West, people are very understanding because children can make mistakes. They don't know better. They don't know the bad thing. So Geshe said, like this, it's important and not to.
Nyodra this and well in the Chime to pose ten don't better than check when it on it and it also Hachokuma Chambuchen, Yari.
So very important that even the children or the fathers, if they complain, don't react with the harm or they don't mistreat them back. It's very important to live harmoniously. It's better to live harmoniously. But in any case, as in the case of little children, we are not accepting, tolerant, forgiving, because we know that they don't know better, they don't have the capacity, and like that. Same way, if we think about even grown-ups, people, they also are in many ways they're susceptible for various internal forces and so forth, and that will help you, not be so upset with it.
And does this include political leaders in governments?
Sidon Bayer,
Chopsi Chenge.
The Contogi Susan Dalla Damida Cheoma. The Contola and Sugi Conto Mishiva, Chigo,
Chambuja. Conchambuja, Guya, the Sidon Bataku, Panchamuja, Pele, Ramada Chair, Corolla Dishu. Corolla de Makeup to Tenda Dogo. Masu didn't say made by Chambuja Pool, Jim and Chambuja, Tombal Chambujan. Social district did Chiparas, Tanda certain but the colon on the come, you could turn that to go, teach it to call in Chambuch and the Yagandu, Talent and the Yagandu, I think the Mamma, the Chabdot and the this is the Chiparas called it.
Yeah, it's same for the politicians. Also, Geshe feels that those politicians, they may be some little bit misinformed, that in the sense that but at the end of the day, they too, whatever, they end up kind of, getting into. They also, want the happiness in their life, well-being, and that their matters may be somewhat misinformed and like that. But we can understand, because certainly being more understanding of the politicians as well.
We show the Colotonic and do a Choroso teacher and not Chosolo Pay, Yapu Peg, teacher, go with Choroso Galatian, Choroso Pay, Jambu Shatasham, not Chosolo Duputo, Nalice, Utu, Soto, you way over us, or tasted simple.
So, like during the election campaign, that the politicians, they never said that I will hurt you, I will harm you, they go campaigning saying that you will cast vote, you support me, and I will improve your facilities and that, and I will support this and build schools and roads and whatever. Because if they told that I'm going to hurt you, because nobody would vote. But they are again out of their own. They want to be happy.
Chorolo, we show Guina, Tunisia, we show Luguina, Choro, Tunisia, Yashore.
So, for all of us, like yourself, all of us, if
your Russian gets all to your dramas,
we want to gain other support, whether it's vote or like that, we need to be kind to the promise of the Guru, the support and help and the kindness to others.
If there is no other question, can I ask a small corollary?
That's
yeah.
Thank you very much. My question is related. In a compassionate society for extreme crimes like rape, is there a role for punishment? And the government of India has recently imposed the death penalty for rape of young girls.
what did they do?
Have imposed death penalty for rape of young girls, minors below the age of 12. Could you comment on that?
That Jamsit Tempe, Gekab Nangola, that Jamba and Ningje, the Tone, Tim Kunki Gekab Yovaina, Dinala, Anichik, Soto Ginyaba, Tana Digo, Tatsukariores, and Gagala Chashavaina, and then nature Kunzugi and the Dishila Pugu lo chungni menche la tsayam cheba ina soto tayaki tashowa res. Dikola gen gongzu kharitus.
La so. Tata tsu ne tsoma kasi nema Nepal tabashi tsondo tsu soto toya ka ani cheba ti meju soya ka ani mi sole jamba ji shu chimbo yusa mi chimbo yote chimbo tende mongbo tsone tende ka ne gomba shi sha tende shi ya nang shi jiga ni yongya ka riwa yo res te tende ma to re kolo ja ka ko chose na re so
Gyalagi timtone ku de soto nyap tangi nyap ta chewa res.
No terio
Lo chungni
Cheta to yongro mi yote je mongbo ko solo tong ni ju kipa mongbo ko ne gomba shi ne yote je mongbo ko ne solo tong to ko jar kham no lo tene mongbo yo to ko gomba shi ne joro ro se gre ma to ti kashi ko tene chhe tene zo yo so to se ne pa se go ti ma te mi ju nyong zha jian ge chong ma se go se tene chhe mongbo je ba to chong ma remi jian jiang
gengi gongzu khare
la
gengi gongzu khare
tabshi
gen kenagi gongzu khare gen kenagi gongzu
wang to cheta
lo chungni menche la
ben mesi lo soto sen na so che ya simche soto sen na to ma che ya ka tabshi che guna so ti samba ti jung yu so to wa nga tanda kesi kon chondu choya to chol chawalam ro ya ka malong yo tani riwa yu tani jisi ro chita che yu to koso to ji dan ko ton chondu chol nibal to o ja chembo chen chosha songa chen du songa chita ta songa chao go
Geshe is aware of this situation and also he has actually heard the news and about many people voicing their opposition for capital punishment. And Geshe actually hoped that would be the case, that voice would be there. But unfortunately, the policy is such policy is adopted for the capital punishment. Geshe's own personal position on this is that he does not support capital punishment. That everybody has a chance to redeem and or to reform. So from that perspective, Geshe does not believe in capital punishment.
Ta jo che den den ni ji go ya jamba go ya re ti ja chiri tong tham na pe na ma so chin no la ni chi le pe ti wa ni ji ra ti no na pu tu se gi se ra bo to pa tu se gi ma se gi se su kong go zo ma re te ko zo cha kan cha ti ta ni zo ma ti tong ba le ti no ji cha ti ya ko ta kong ta jamba na ni ji al shu chiri che tham na to so rong ji jin gang ro re so te re ba ti
It is Geshe's own conviction and also is that if we promote love and compassion in our society, that really would be the most sustainable solution for many of the problems that we have today. It's not through tit for tat kind of a situation. For example, in a given family, that if their child is to be executed, which parents would not want their child to be executed, they killed and right? Which child would not want their parents to be not subjected to such persecution. It's because of their love for their parents, for children, we have such deep kind of reactions to those treatments, right? So similarly, if in a society, if we cultivate compassion for greater society, beings, people, the larger segment of the society like that. Of course, that we will oppose such kind of drastic measures, but we will instead try to find ways to reform them.
나게 컨디션 데레샬라 찍데 잠바다 닌제 되게 예와 컨디션 저거레스
잠바 닌제
아니 찍데 데레샬
딱 티노네 요 되네 니바트가
니바테 되게 대선 와라다 그게 닌제 깨발라 파죠 동에게 나르수 동에게 나르수 삼로당 거래선 와라 다텔라 페나 거치그 내나타 이나리안 지금 중에 경기 출로라 소바타서 되네기 아디 찍가 토네강에 테데게 동에데 삼바이는 닌제 깨그래선 와혼 어디 저도 말하게 도스야라 대종선사 냐마 바위라 사임갸로 바위라 냐마 사임갸도니 거디 네스디 통데 담바타미 마보지 거시 아니 베트 제 견장 망보종으로 와
그래서
어디게 다 초치네 셈네 초치네 거치 닌제 삼바종 초치네 야시 수수수 셈라 낭라종네 베트 니고 마토니 베트 제 밀람데네 툭데와데네 교림보 종선스 저단데 닌제게 아직 셈바 지금 마키바 다 지금 남자여라 dus genchigo arbes kandes
올라서 저러고 내말에 저 니지도 잠바세를 가리나 강에 등을도 나서도 저도 파트로잖아 매파차로잖아 저 니지서 그래서 코 디바도 지부지 용로잖아 선바들 잠바서 그니 가봐도 저바가 잡아 요마르 어떤이 때 공부하시러 최근도와 종아가 게 세근도와 디니 저로 단달 사이고도 걸어 니지 종소 ngọtra요 종소세도 덴바레 ngọtra 같이 치가고 소소로 ngọtra요 하는데 파니 젬발로 티토노지 지마 티세토 또 용도 트레이드 걸 걸로 말로 ngọtra인데 지요와 소소도 어떤이 제도 걸 디슈체레동 데네 단단 같은 통을 미세사 몽보 미소 숨쉬어서 디메베 미몽보 아니 탑박 담네 데네 세사 트고 ngọtra요 몽베요 니지 몽베요 ngọtra 같아 요나 ngọtra 매 제고 아 다이는 니지 지로 제고 말아 ngọtra 존에 야르데 ngọtra 용고래 어때
So the question was twofold. First one had to do with distinguishing how you distinguish compassion from love. The response for that question was that compassion arises in response to being aware of someone's suffering. So when you are aware of someone's suffering, and then if your response is a wish for them to be free of that suffering, if you can't bear to see them struggling and want them to be free of the suffering, that is compassion. Compassion is concern about someone's suffering. Love, on the other hand, has to do with the desire, the wish for others to have happiness. So it's just a matter of kind of perspective. If you see from the negative of the side, when they are struggling, you want them to be free from that. That's compassion. If you want to see sort of what positive they need, like health and well-being, when they are missing what they need, then the desire for them to have that happiness, affirmative way. You want them to have money. That is love. Now, as for the second question, her second question was that Geshe had mentioned about reflecting on the manner that people suffer in order to have compassion, because compassion is attuned to suffering. For example, one of the ways that people suffer is when they are caught in certain kind of natural disasters, like the flooding of the earth. We said that victims of earthquake in Nepal, this happened a couple of years ago, and then she was aware of the level of the trauma, the casualty there, and that was sort of overwhelming the really that provoked. On the one level, concern for that, but at the same time she felt overwhelmed with a certain kind of anxiety, and then it affected her even sleep, so the caused nightmares and so forth. So her question was that, is compassion, if you feel such anxiety, does that undermine compassion, or is that what comes with the compassion? That's the part of compassion. So Geshe's response to that, was that compassion is the experience, the feeling of compassion is not about just being indifferent or just not being concerned of someone's suffering. Actually, when you do notice someone suffering, it will stir, it will cause a certain stirring, a certain distress, certainly. But simply because it stirs you, it kind of causes distress, it's not necessarily, that doesn't mean that it undermines your compassion, or it is, that's wrong. In fact, if someone is, if you are aware of this, some loved one of yours is taken to be persecuted, like that, of course you will have a tremendous degree of, the distress by seeing them, but at the same time, such a deep level of concern for this person's situation. The compassion and distress, they do go together. That there's nothing wrong in having distress in the witnessing someone's suffering. Actually, that a certain level of stirring is can be a great aid for your compassion for others.
Churuku Dembare, Ngota Guramato, Tanda Mountain, Rocket, Ngota Mepasla Wira, Ngota Mepasla Ducolo, Missea Niji Mepa, Rosea Ngota Mepa, Ngota Mepa Longa, Ngota Kate China, Tiniji, Chirichiro, Ngota Mepa, Mommy Lieutenant Lawyer. Ngota on the Yabuda.
So, you should not just simply see the problem with distress of it, and if something makes you anxious, it's not necessarily bad all the time. Actually, there's a certain degree of distress or anxiety in some cases may be necessary, because otherwise how would we have concern for others? For example, we train some people in the army like that, not to have any distress to kill others, right? Or maybe that sometimes we may say that we may teach people to not have distress even for their own life, cost losing their own life. Right? Going into the army, you have to create that kind of mindset, disregard, no regard for others suffering on one's own. That is not necessarily a healthy attitude. So Geshe, you need distress in the face of suffering. Yeah.
My question is related to the first two questions, because I'm a little bit confused. Yesterday you mentioned the story of the Buddha, who, when he was a sea captain, he killed a sailor to save 500 other people. And you said that that was also an act of compassion, to save him from killing 500 other people, and also for the welfare of the other people on the ship. So when do you know how to take action? And for somebody like me who doesn't have perfect wisdom, how can I make that discernment?
Very good question. Kesa danda gen kuncho pasan la pe rawala. Kesa danda kensu gen kuncho pasan de pe barel. Kesa gen gi de talab na lo la chik ningje wangi ale chik pa misse pa yimba ina ko dekwa yo mo mare so sa ki ken la du gore pena danda de pe ningje shimbo ki dong de so so ala. Kesa di inde morangi dewa de de reshala. But ningje wangi ko pa sewa chigoya marsu wa anjik phage sewa chene sonom yo atas sati ewa khandes chego des ena moranta bu cha cha ina tingning je wange phage ta na je so pa chik so je na je da ma je ki ewa ti khandes chego des
Tati kabusitare gega ni some say, you won't get any sources here. The Jito, Lobjo Chumbu, maybe Take any co only soldier and a cotili yard and Jatong Kichigo, Niba Yungi Mado, Dio Maris. Pena Shachu Cheti Cola, Amchi Chumbu Say, Tapto Yolo Maris. Koto ani ya kaza nganda bi ni sha chu che ba ko nga ni na ba le ni ne ba maybe ya che no ya thau ya ko ni ba yo ko chong che che cha re ho ko so ti no che chong che thong ke ga ma to ti ro ba me ba oh yeah.
That's a very, very tough question because and it's a really a dilemma that is not easily resolved. It's not easy to resolve. It is true that in rare situations, such practices can be very instrumental, needed and instrumental and attractive. But Geshe says that there is someone who can engage in such act of killing and so forth out of compassion. That is not for everyone. Someone who has attained very high level of realizations, someone who has a certain capability to lead them in a better state. If such a person, if someone has that level of achievement, that realization, then it's a different matter. But otherwise, this is not, for everybody. This will not be permitted. Now, you can understand this through an example. For example, if a surgeon were to operate on a patient, for example, he should have to do a heart surgery, right? But his surgeon, for someone to operate on him, have to have a certain qualification and authorization, certification to operate on him based on his abilities to improve his situation. Otherwise, if you just let them act and then operate, you will do more harm than benefit. So similarly, as someone who has no
qualification, the abilities is not authorized to operate on someone. Similarly, if someone does not have that ability to, place someone even into a better situation, should not even entertain such kind of practices.
Then Jacoya Chiata Tonon Doa, me Toncho Mundua. I'm sure it's a Simon or there. Rata may use a state also to the Mundua. Cheta Toto Yunketo and the Tino Niba Yunkeko, Tan Mono Timin, Maso and the church. Then the Bala, Kabaina, unity. So, you so Cheshire.
It's very important. The bottom line is that you don't want to cause no harm. And that's why in the West you have very, the strict policies about even prescribing medicine. Not everyone can just, give prescription. The doctors need to be careful in prescribing medicine. That would be actually for certain illnesses. You are giving certain antibiotics and like that can be, if not prescribed properly, can be harmful. Only qualified, authorized physicians are allowed to prescribe such. Otherwise, the doctor here might just give any prescribed medicine. It's just,
Aninda and the Metaya, Chonche Eugene, to Shachu, told you,
Geshe wonders that Dr. Anita, that he has a physician, a non-physician here, but he's wondering that if you have I'm sure you have the authorization for prescribing, but maybe not to perform surgery.
Yeah, then you know, Tangana. Get control parts of the little gomba, somebody rest, get control.
No. So, yeah, yesterday,
the go on to
the former habit, his kind of presentation is intended for those very high level of
practice. Thank you, man. Yeah.
Let's make that last question.
Technology, specifically the mobile, is considered within. Do you think that this comes or deteriorates the quality of love, affection, compassion among the new generation? If yes, how we can take care of this? If no, why it is not?
So I can quite hear the technology like cell phones,
deteriorates the quality of love, affection, compassion among the new generation, the young kids.
So are you saying that the cell phone does it affect the quality of compassion in the new generation?
How
decrease? Okay, does it affect? Okay.
If it affects, how we can take care of it so that the quality again goes back to the higher level. If it is not, why it is not?
The Frank condition you are well.
No.
Frank condition you are well. Dear Shala. Then some Twitter yargeto there, what Twitter. The penang to Labalaka phone Minduela. Lapakia telephone duala. Lapalakia phone dua, Kapar. That is a pen of Poo Chunchun, the Segita Dina Tamida Moya. Other Chene check the Midami, Devata, and Chamset, Sola Peche, Yongi Yona Menas, King Yopala. The Yongi Yonani. That the doctor can destroy the content of patient in Matan Kames or Chadu. Younger men are catching a young menas.
Oh, Losel did them but as while Tini Chumber. Mema, my lord, and Jagala Lusonichon, television, television dong me so television dong de ba ngai ba kang ga ya ge do se ngai le so chi dong television dong go re dong de par to na thong chen ro re de ne ko mo go re le so chi chong re de ne ru ge na na ni se ni lo kha shi chi pa to ka ga re television a go so de che de ko lo ta so to lab cha jam ne lab jong ke chambar ti solo ne phama ga lab cha jam ne tin kwang go che ne ma to te tawsi so chi o ma par to no thong che ne to ni cha ma ti ta ro cho chim chi yong yo re ani to la yin ma tong go cho chim chi ra chi che yo re ti no ne ya te ne lo gar jo go 펜토체 야 몽보 렌지 요래 저쪽 것도 렌시고 말해 펜토체 아까를 렌지고 펜나 때는 노노로 따는 따도 수도 치도 저쪽 저를 직직을 받지 잠버제 때는 땡도 야야부 잠버지 이거 때는 렌지 요래 그것도 대신은 말해 뒤니 촐란 로요래 nembar에 때티 탑시 때는 내가 위주 가지고 텔레비전 콜 때는 정보라 야가 때는 시가 고소 아니 tal tabshi tani madu tabshi chibu labja jawya labja
yeah it is true that technology can be a problem can undermine our interaction with others but Geshe says that preventing them from using like mobile phones the social media is not the solution. And in India, he is aware that a number of years there were some different opinions in terms of allowing children, how much children should be watching television. So one group felt that in television there are all kind of violence and all kind of information that comes and then it will, by exposing children to those violence and so forth, it will only make them more kind of prone to negative behaviors and like that. And then there was other group who felt that no, that actually you should not completely block. They need to be able to see and then through advice. Advising them to properly use the television. Actually, in Bhutan, also, Geshe said that until just recently, the public viewing of the television was banned. But that doesn't really solve the problem in the society. Geshe's own take is that the advice that we give to the children, that is what is important, to see what benefits we can derive from that, the things that are not useful we can, by through advice, that making them not use or not get into the information that is not useful. For example, there are some beautiful videos and like that you can have access to through these iPhones and like that that are about animal empathy and compassion and like that. When you see that, so you really get inspired and then you can learn a lot from that. On the other hand, that they are violence and so forth, you can teach them, you can advise them to avoid such. So it's the best part is not about banning, that you will not be really able to do that. You keep just preventing them, that they will keep getting into that, and then you'll get exhausted at some point. Instead, try to do it through advice.
Ti men ma san kangen tene yongre da sa ti yong chen tin paru tene ka pento yosi gre te labja jamna Emory
So, best thing for you to do is to advise the students, the children, that really should that how important it is for them to keep their focus on studies and ensure that if they study well, what kind of benefits are there, that something that is visible, get better jobs, and there's something they can actually relate to. And, so in that way, create this intrinsic motivation to study and to avoid those distractions and like that. Otherwise, just like simply that will not work. One of the monks from this monastery who studied at Emory University for 7 years, upon returning, he mentions to Gemma that at Emory University, there are computers everywhere. But the students, they use the computer, they told the students that for hours they are actually studying. They use that for studying instead of just watching kind of useless information. So that also is a product of them seeing the need to keep focus on studying and not be distracted by others. We can train, we can educate them, we can advise them. That's the best way to do it.
Thank you very much.
So in conclusion, let's set this intention or the prayer that as His Holiness often advises, to pray for all beings, even those who may be temporarily very much under the influence of various misunderstanding and so forth, and engage in very unwise activity. They may too be able to develop the insight of understanding eyes that can distinguish what is wrong and what is right, and through that, to cultivate love and compassion, and through that, for all beings to enjoy the good life and well-being and happiness. So let's pray that together.
Yeah,